Okay, so there are many forms that we can aggregate our data and really make this process, this step, easy to do in bulk. There's quite a different ways that we can use a lot of functionality in Pandas to do this quite quickly and to really get a good understanding of the differences in our data set as well quite quickly. Okay, so simple summary statistics like mean, median, min, max, we can do all of those in Pandas. Probably not a surprise there. And we have our friend Albert Einstein doing some mathematics. Looks like his abscess could be broken there a little bit, but he's doing some simple summary statistics for us when we're doing our data analysis. Okay. So one of the functions that we can use with those simple summary statistics are group by. Really handy feature. What we're going to do is essentially group by a category. So what this is going to say is it's going to give us an average of, let's say we have gender category. So the males will be one average per column and the females will be one, let's say, average per column. So the concept of how this works, and it's just maybe good to keep this in mind so you can understand how this group by function is working in case things go wrong. So it's called a split, apply, combined workflow. So what it's going to do is it's actually going to essentially use logical indexing to split into sub data frames. Each category, each class will get its own data frame. So then we're going to take the average of each one of those data frames, and it's going to apply the function, and then it's going to recombine the data steps in between each one of these steps. And you'll see we can't really see anything until we've done the combine step because we need to be aggregating this back into a column, and so it doesn't really you can't really see these individual data frames created when we're in the split phase. So we do have to finish by aggregating this for us to actually be able to see the group by object. So it kind of it's not difficult to understand this or to use this concept, but it is something to be aware of. Again, just in case things are going wrong or working a little bit weird, you understand the inner workings behind it.